Look what I just got here.
Is this the Bitcoin Sunday market dump again? Welcome back guys, it's Crypto Rocco here, and in today's video I'll be talking about a potential Bitcoin Sunday market dump cycle. We have seen it before where when there's low liquidity, so when people are not trading, it's easier to move the markets. We see it in forex markets quite a lot. It happened with the Japanese yen fairly recently. I got burnt during that. My stop loss order slipped. And in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, we've seen it where something happens on a Saturday night going into Sunday morning, or during Sunday where it crashes. And it's happened a few times. I will share a chart with you. Again, it's not really conclusive just by looking at that, but I'll take you through it. Maybe I'll go into detail and go back a couple of months rather than just few months and make another detailed video. But I will be sharing with you that thought. So guys, let's get into the video. So does what changes for Bitcoin, guys? One thing I would like to just say is that we're still above this level, because we had moved quite a bit high up and I was expecting a fairly big pullback. So I'm not, again, I wouldn't look to buy here. I don't think I'll be looking to buy here, but potentially if it comes down to this level, I could look to buy if it starts to move up. But if it breaks below this level and starts, price acceptance below this level, then I'll be saying, this was just probably an ABC and then we're going down, because that was a 618 level, and that was a big resistance. There was a buy setup in my strategy. If you guys follow me, you go down to the hourly or the 4 hourly. That was a beautiful buy in our strategy that we follow in this channel. If you have any questions, guys, you can email me at cryptorock@hotmail.com, and if you really learned something from this video, give us a subscribe and smash that like button. It would really mean a lot to me, because I don't sell any courses. All I provide is free content, and I do provide mentoring, but again, I do a free 30-minute call, and it's more about working together and sharing my experience than teaching, because you have to learn yourself. I can only guide you. Anyways guys, I didn't take it because I've been, like I said in my previous video, I had a weekend away, a lot of partying this weekend, so I didn't take that trade. But if I did take it, I would have bought it somewhere around here or at the break, probably, because it was a sideways consolidation rather than a flag that I like to prefer to buy. So maybe I would have bought it here, the buy stop order, but it was a 5 minute I'm sure if I go down to the shorter time frames, it must have been like a 5-minute pump. So to get in, you'd need you'd have to leave a buy stop order there. But yeah, I would have probably started getting out here, because that's key resistance. I would have taken half of there, and then when it broke here, I would have taken another half of. That's how I would have traded it. It wouldn't have been that profitable, but it would have been a decent trade. But yeah, this is horrible, guys, and it's disappointing because it is bearish. I'm looking for bullish signs because I'm trying to be a contrarian, but that candle is a nasty candle, and it's closing at the lows as well. The daily 20 moving average So I'm trying to be contrarian to say that, you know, they've just caught all the orders that was there, they captured all the liquidity, moved down, and then maybe do like an ABC, because, you know, it's usually 3-wave down and then move up again. That's like my bullish argument, so we'll see if that plays out. The other thing is it could be like an ABCDE triangle and then we break down. Again, it's triangle, if you look at Elliott wave triangle, that's a potential bear formation that can be happening, but we could potentially go up to these levels we've discussed in my previous video. So why am I talking about Bitcoin, guys? Because Bitcoin is king. If Bitcoin crashes, guys, the altcoins don't do very well. Let me just quickly show you the coin market cap, where you can see most altcoins got a really bad day. 5-10% days they've gone down. There are a couple that are doing well. Komodo, if you have been following me, guys, Komodo is a coin that I have been looking at it quite regularly, guys. If you watch this video, or I've got it on this video as well, Komodo is doing well. BNB is another coin that's doing okay. But again, when Bitcoin's ontology, guys, I mean, if you follow me, I always talk about ontology. These are the coins that move really well. There are some opportunities to scalp in the altcoin section, but when Bitcoin's performing or dumps like that, I don't like to really get into it. But potentially, or it could still be altcoin seasons if Bitcoin can hold this level and move up. So let's quickly go through the other big ones. I'm not going to go through all the altcoins today, guys. I'm going to just talk through the key, the main major coins, guys. I maybe make an altcoin video later on. For Ethereum, guys, I said, you know, that was a resistance level that I was looking at, and another thing I said was I would potentially look to start buying around this range, you know, 125 to 120 level if it does drop back. And Ethereum's done the same thing. It gave us a fake breakout, and that was a key level, guys. If it broke and held above there, that would have been a potential trend change, because, you know, we had a lower high, a higher low, and trying to form a higher high. So that would have been a really good situation for Ethereum. But again, I'm just trying to talk about different scenarios. We could potentially hit this level and start moving up. We'll have to see how it plays out. I might be out. Ethereum is the one that I'm looking to play, so I will be looking to buy Ethereum around this level if it gives me the price action I want to see. Strategy wise, guys, again, I didn't take that trade, but you can see what a perfect setup that is in our strategy that we follow in this channel. If you use the stochastics to get in as well. However you would have liked to trade it, guys, this would have given you few decent opportunities, guys. Even if you got in late, it was a nice little move up. But when this broke, that green candle broke, I would have got out. I probably would have sold half there and sold half around when it broke that level. So that's Ethereum, guys. I will be looking to play. Keep that zone in mind. Litecoin, guys, I mean, I've come out with a video saying there's been a trend change in Litecoin. Again, I'm sticking by my videos. I mean, I'm not just saying I think this will happen. I tried to explain to you my reasons behind it. So Litecoin has broken that level. It found support and broke above it again. So I'm not looking to buy more Litecoin. I've taken most of my profit out of here. I didn't buy any more. I still own some Litecoin, and I will hold some Litecoin, guys, because I do like the price action. If it breaks this level, this is strong support. I don't think it will break. It might spike down, but I don't think this will break. This will be strong support for Litecoin. XRP, guys, I'm not looking to trade XRP, as you guys know. XRP is in a sideways consolidation. It could be in this correction for God knows how long, unless it breaks out and gives me the price action I want. I won't be looking to trade XRP. XRP held this level, found support here, and then moved up. I mean, if you're a trader, scalper, you could have potentially bought that level expecting it to get some bounce reaction from it. And yeah, that would have been, if you go on the smaller time frames, that would have been a nice little couple of percent scalp opportunity, I'd assume. Yeah, you could have got 2% there. So yeah, there was a potential trading opportunity, but we'll have to see how the price reacts, guys. I'm keeping a really close eye on Bitcoin and Ethereum. The bounce isn't very good. If it forms like a bear flag and it does something like this, then I won't be very positive on it. but we'll have to see how it plays out. But I do think there will be maybe a small leg lower, but I'm expecting for this level to hold. These are just my thoughts, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, but this nasty drop isn't very good. So guys, that was the update on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin and XRP. But one thing I wanted to talk about this video is the cycle, guys. So guys, if you see, these are just rough bars that I've drawn. I went on to the daily charts and then drawn it on the Sunday of every Sunday for the past 3 months. And if we see, guys, this is the most recent one. You can see that bad dump, guys, just after we moved into Sunday, guys. There's nothing that's happened here. There's small action that's happened here, but nothing to be worried about. You can see we had a small dump sort of here, guys. We had another one round about there. There was a pump there, so you know, when there's low liquidity, there's a pump, and then we had a massive drop back. So these are all kind of around the weekend, Sunday time. This might not be exact, but I've drawn it myself and I've looked into it, and the confluence doesn't seem to be as much as it seems to me, because when I'm trading Sunday dumps in crypto, it has been quite regular. People are talking about it on Reddit and Twitter as well. This wasn't exactly on Sunday, but you can see the low liquidity times it dumped. There was a bit of a spike here. This year is different because, you know, we can't call it an upward trend, but we've seen some bullish price action. You can see it here, guys. We're just going down badly. That was a massive one. It was that Sunday as well. Wow. You can see that big dump there. I don't know if I carried on. So that was another Sunday, guys. You can see that wasn't exactly on a Sunday, but you know, there's a dump. These are sideways consolidation. I've not gone as far back. So could there be a potential Sunday dump in cryptocurrency market when there's low liquidity? These big whales, big players try to take money from us. So people that get in, they try to shake people out. So we'll have to see, guys, whether this is end of this bullish price action we've had, and whether we're going to go down, or whether this is just a bad shakeout, so to get rid of all the weak hands, because this market is ruthless, guys. They don't want anyone to make money. They could literally be a shakeout to take all the stop losses that we had here before. So if you bought this consolidation zone, you would have had your stop loss here. They can take all your stop losses, take all the profit from you, and then move up. That could be a possibility. We'll have to see how the price action plays out and keep a close eye on it. Next week, guys, I am slightly busy. I've got, again, like I said, I've got a few Skype calls to do for my YouTube, and for my personal day-to-day work as well. I'll be quite busy, so I'll still try to keep you guys up to date. But I've got 2 weeks, well, after next week, 2 weeks, I'll be full on doing crypto trading, YouTube videos, mentoring. So if you have any questions, email me, guys. I'll try and help you out through emails. Any questions about technical analysis, if there's any altcoins you want me to look at, let me know in the comment section below, or email me. I'll try and help you out. And what are your thoughts on this Bitcoin price action? Do you think there is a Sunday dump that happens in the cryptocurrency market when there's low liquidity, when the traders are sleeping, they dump the market? Could that be a possibility, guys? I'd love to hear your thoughts. So thank you very much, guys. I hope you've enjoyed that video. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button if you want to win $250 worth of XRP. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, email me for mentoring, or if you have any questions about technical analysis, I'll try and help you out for free. So thank you very much, guys. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Thank you very much.